Welcome! In this video, we will cover how you would utilize Route Builder within Field Central for scheduling reoccurring work to-dos. Do you have properties with regular reoccurring work to-dos that need to be scheduled on a regular cadence? Route Builder allows you to schedule those work to-dos and assign to desired crews. It also allows you to quickly see where the closest crew will be on any given day when you need to add a stop to an existing route. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, navigate to the Route Builder via the main menu. Click on the green plus button on the top right to create a new schedule template. Provide the route template with a name, description, and select how many groups you would like to include in this template, and the number of days per group. When complete, click Save. To begin building the route template, click the location icon that corresponds with the desired template. Notice a list of available reoccurring work to-dos located on the left-hand side of the page. These are also displayed within the map view as pins. When you zoom in and navigate through the map, the list of work to-dos on the left will also adjust to only those that are currently viewable on the map. When you are ready to begin routing these work to-dos, you will use the drawing tools to select the desired group of work to-dos or click on them one by one. Selecting them one by one will place them in that same order underneath the map. When you are ready to add to the route, click the green plus button within the route section. Give the route a name and assign it to a crew from the drop-down menu. Displayed will be the man-hours used / available, and the color ribbon above the crew will be to identify which work to-dos are placed on this crew's schedule. To begin assigning work to-dos to the crew, grab the visit from under the map and drag it to underneath the crew. Once a work to-do is assigned, the corresponding crew color will update on all areas the work to-do is displayed. Each work to-do will have color blocks available, one for each group in the given template. Once all areas of the work to-dos have been placed on the crew's route, you can zoom in and out in order to confirm no other work to-dos in the area need to be added. Then click Clear All Selections to clear the work to-dos selected under the map view. Continue to schedule the work to-dos on additional crews until all have been assigned to a crew / day. Notice that work to-dos, when they are added to a crew's schedule, are placed at the bottom by default, and the orders seen within their route can also be viewed on the map for optimal placement. Once all work to-dos have been scheduled, zoom out of the map and use the color assignment of each crew to confirm all work to-dos are assigned appropriately. In the event you identify a work to-do that should be adjusted on the schedule, click and drag from the crew's route to 15-minute parking. Then click and drag again once you find the desired route to move the work to-do. Once you have set up one group, you are able to use the Clone Day option, which will duplicate the current group and recreate it on whichever group is selected. This prevents you from needing to duplicate efforts when setting up your routes. When you are ready to place these work to-dos on the crew's schedule, navigate back to the Templates page and click on the calendar icon. Select which group and which day within said group you would like the route template to begin the schedule on. Select any days of the week to not schedule services, and then select the date range from which to schedule on the calendar. In the event a route needs to be assigned to a different crew, you can edit by going back into the building of the route and selecting the pencil icon on the crew's route. Reassign to another crew without needing to delete anything. Please be advised that if you are leveraging vehicles and equipment setup, then the user will see warning messages flagged in the event a property requires certain equipment or in the event a vehicle does not have the right equipment to perform the work. This will alert you of potential route issues and allow you to reassign the property to an appropriate crew. These warning messages will not prevent you from scheduling, but they will notify you. Check out Route Builder the next time you log in to easily route all of your reoccurring work to-dos. Used in conjunction with vehicles and equipment setup will allow you to better manage your routes in a fraction of the time.